Navigating life's path, the art of watching one's step. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring an interesting phrase that you might have heard in conversations or seen in writings: watching one's step. It's a phrase rich in meaning and application, and understanding it can not only enhance your English vocabulary but also offer valuable life advice. So, let's get started and uncover the layers behind this intriguing expression. When we first hear watching one's step, the immediate image that might come to mind is being careful where you place your feet while walking. Literally, it suggests paying close attention to your walking path to avoid stumbling, stepping on something undesirable, or falling. This could be especially relevant when navigating through treacherous or unfamiliar terrains. The literal sense teaches us the importance of being aware of our immediate environment for our safety. Moving beyond the literal, watching one's step takes on a more profound meaning in a figurative or metaphorical sense. Here, it symbolizes the need to be cautious and considerate in one's actions, decisions, or the words one chooses to use. It reminds us that just as we look where we're going to avoid physical falls, we should also be mindful of our behavior and choices to prevent metaphorical falls, such as offending someone, making a costly mistake, or facing unintended consequences. To understand how this phrase is used in context, let's look at some examples. 1. In a professional setting, your mentor might advise you to watch your step when navigating company politics, meaning to be cautious and diplomatic to avoid conflicts or jeopardizing your career. 2. In personal relationships, a friend might warn another to watch their step when discussing sensitive topics, indicating the need to tread carefully to not hurt feelings or damage the relationship. 3. Online and social media. With the digital age, watching one's step also applies to the content one posts online, urging individuals to think before sharing anything that might be controversial or regrettable later. Understanding and applying the concept of watching one's step in both the literal and figurative senses can lead to more thoughtful, considerate, and successful interactions in various aspects of life. It teaches us the value of mindfulness, caution, and respect for others, which are essential qualities in personal development and maintaining healthy relationships. We hope this exploration of watching one's step has provided you with valuable insights into not just the phrase itself, but also the deeper wisdom it encapsulates. Remember, whether you're walking down a rocky path or navigating the complexities of life, paying attention to where you're stepping can make all the difference. Thank you for watching, and we hope this lesson enriches your understanding of the English language and beyond. Stay tuned for more enlightening topics, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more learning adventures. Take care and watch your step, in every sense of the word.